Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. You know, PCE index, that is Personal Consumption Expenditure Index, is due on Thursday this week, which talks about how inflation is going month over month. This is very important data because Fed puts more weightage on PCE index versus CPI index to make determination for rate cut. As Mr. Paul mentioned this in many interviews, we will take a look overall trend of PCE and its potential impact on Nvidia price movement in this video. I encourage you guys to please watch this video till the end. It will be a good learning for you. Now let's get started. You see this table on your screen. I put together PCE historical data on this table, the actuals and the forecast for last 12 months. The green cell tells that the actuals came lower than the forecast, and the red cell says the actuals came higher than the forecast for that month, with no highlights mean actuals were about the same as forecast. We see that in December, actuals were lower than the forecast, and January it met the forecast. I have the feeling in February the actuals might come higher than the forecast because look at the trend of the forecast starting September. So going down 3.5, 3.4, 3.0, 2.8, 2.6, and 2.4. But the actuals are not going as fast as forecast starting from December. 2.6, 2.6, and February probably, I'm guessing maybe 2.5. So that will be higher than the forecast. And then we might see the pressure on the market, a little drop on the market on Thursday if that happens. And that can also impact Nvidia's stock price. Now let's take a look overall trend of the PC index and get an idea how this is going. Overall trend you see on your screen in this graph, starting from January 2021, PC index started going up. This means inflation started going up, and sometime in June or July 2022, PC index was at peak. And after that, Fed came into action and started increasing the rate. Okay, right now the PC index is between 2 and 3. You see the overall trend is down and hope it continues to go down. Fed target is 2.0. Let's see if they're able to meet sometime this year or next year. But if the trend overall is down, then probably Fed may start cutting the rate in Q2. But if PC comes higher than expected, then we might see Fed is further delaying the rate cut. Okay, so that's why it's very important to take a look PC index and also its potential impact on the rate cut and also its potential impact on the overall market. Because if Fed delays the rate cut, we might see the pressure in the market can go down. Now let's take a look at Nvidia price movement and potential correction on the Nvidia stock price. You see in your screen Nvidia stock price for 20-day, 30 minutes. In 20-day, 30 minutes chart, you see the lowest point is 609. After that, Nvidia started going up and it touched the highest level before the earning release, that was 742, and then it started dropping, and just before the earning release it went down and touched around 670, right? And then after earning release it started going up and the highest point it touched was 807 at this point. Okay, so from its lowest point after the earning release, that was probably 670, between 670 and 807 there was no major correction happen. Okay, so there's some correction due. Let's take a look Fibonacci level and get an idea how much correction can happen. So in order to draw Fibonacci levels, we need to select lowest and the highest point. So I'm selecting that lowest point here, the highest point here. Probably 776 for the next correction level, and Nvidia crossed that level sometime today. The next correction level is 755. I'm guessing Nvidia might try to test that level sometime this week if PC index data comes higher than the forecast. Okay, be watchful. That's why this kind of data, PC index, and CPI index are very important because that have a major impact on the overall stock price. So a good trader is the one who does not just look at the financial or the technical chart, but also looks into the economic data and try to make relation between those data and the market stock price. Okay, that was all about PCE index data analysis and its potential impact on Nvidia stock price. I hope you like this video. Please try to share this video as many people as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you next time. Take care.